Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing a clean sheet so Google can read locations. Open your sheet, confirm headers like address and name, and fill rows consistently. This prevents geocoding errors. Once done, decide whether to use Google My Maps for quick mapping or the Google Maps platform for more control, and make sure your map tool is enabled and your sharing settings allow import. Now export no file, you'll import directly from Sheets into the map tool in the next step. You'll import rows into the map and map columns to location fields. In My Maps Pick Import, select your Google Sheet, then choose the address column or latitude and longitude columns if you have them. Make sure name and category map to the correct info windows. This is how labels and colors get assigned. If addresses fail to geocode, use a batch geocoder from the Maps platform or add lat/lng in Sheets. Once pins appear, pan and zoom to verify accuracy before styling. You finish by styling and publishing so others can interact. Apply color by category or numeric column, customize info windows, and add filters so viewers toggle layers. When ready, click Share to get a link or embed code. Make sure permissions match your audience. If something goes wrong, such as missing pins, check address formatting and duplicates in Sheets, refresh the import, or add latitude and longitude and re-import. Finally, test the map on another device to confirm interactivity and performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.